It has released interim compensation to 194 families so far, but the total payout could rise. US-based law firm Beasley Allen is now in Ahmedabad to explain legal options to families to pursue claims overseas. Madeeha is standing by to explain to us how many families have signed up with this law firm to seek legal remedies outside of India. Madeeha.
Right, so more options are opening up for the families of the victims beyond Indian jurisdiction. So far, 194 families have received the 25 lakh rupees interim compensation from Air India. The airline has not disclosed if they are in touch with more families to process the claims. As the 25 lakh amount is only the interim amount, the final insurance payout will be higher once the figure is determined, depending on the financial situation of each family. Then they will also receive 1 crore rupees each from the Tata Sons AI 171 Memorial and Welfare Trust. But the families stand to get more compensation if they win the case as promised by this US law firm Beasley Allen. The firm claims that they have 70 families on board, including victims on the flight and on the ground. The firm's top aviation attorney, Mike Andrews, is in Ahmedabad meeting families and explaining the legal options available. He says they will be seeking access to the aircraft's flight data recorder and cockpit voice recorder through court orders. The firm says that recordings will help them find out the real cause of the crash. They will pursue legal claims in the United States and the United Kingdom under the Montreal Convention against Air India and product liability claims against the aircraft manufacturer, in this case, Boeing. The legal theories they are exploring involve possible defects in the FADEC and throttle control systems, in short, system failure, and whether Boeing knew about the risks of any malfunction. Mike Andrews says that if evidence points to a manufacturing defect, they will file a product liability claim in the US against Boeing. He argues that the US is the right jurisdiction to fight cases with big multinationals, and since the aircraft was built there, it gives victims a fair chance to demand accountability from a multinational manufacturer. A relative of one victim who has signed a contract with the law firm told CNBC-TV18 that the firm will not charge any fees if they lose this case.
All right. Many thanks, Madeeha, for joining us. Up next on India.